Hi guys, what's up? How is it going? Welcome back to another fabulous day. Have a nice day to you. Guys, right now I am standing beside the wall and beside the beautiful flowers top. And I want to start my day by looking these beautiful flowers. That's why I have come here to look these beautiful flowers. And I have decided to make a video to share with you about these beautiful flowers. I know you also love flowers very much. I think you love flowers better than me. That's why I want to share with you the beautiful flowers.